To a large degree, the design process is really a filtering process. In effect, we have to edit the data, chunk it, and then represent it visually. Designers decide how an underlying content management system is understood or intuited by the user. At the time of this writing, Wikipedia contains over 3 million articles. How do they manage all that content in a way that makes sense to the user? Wikipedia is a site I use a lot in my research, so the centering of the site around the search engine seems logical. But there's a lot more to this site than is obvious. A good site architecture and visual representation of the ways to access the backend data system would be great here. Going deeper into Wikipedia makes me feel lost and overloaded at the same time. The sheer amount of text here makes me feel a bit anxious. My desire to explore has been upset by the lack of logical relationships and good visual design, but most of all I'm left with no snapshot of what I can do on this site. A good design would make the power and breadth of the content instantly comprehensible to me, and I would know where to go and what I can do. A lot of amateur designers and their clients think that including icons will solve the problem of information overload. After all, if a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a lot of little tiny ones must be worth even more. Well, I'm here to join in with my colleagues to say no, good design is about efficient communication and about seeing the whole picture. The Open Government Directive instructed the government's executive branches to publish 3 high-value datasets online within 45 days. The design in front of the CMS system is incredibly simple. The mark of a great design is its apparent simplicity. They have chosen to display the 3 catalogs together on one page, rather than on separate pages. A simple tab arrangement allows the user to toggle between catalogs. The Getty Images site brings a huge catalog up to the surface of the top of their site. A search on a fairly obscure term, like Mesopotamia, returns a total of 346 images. They are handling vast amounts of information both in the images and in the tags attached to those images. Considering that their clients are designers, their site had better be well designed. And it doesn't make me feel like running away. I regard my feelings upon first seeing a page to be very important. A good designer will nurture their gut feelings so they can cut to the chase when they analyze design. This site has a deceptively simple looking interface. In comparison to Wikipedia, it's easy to understand and use the content within this site. Check out the mega drop-downs. They don't have less information, but they know how to show this information, and they show how it can be accessed by providing a logical and beautiful interface that reflects the capabilities of their site. Okay, now join me in the next movie as we study multimedia's grandchild, the mashup.